Hello, everyone, and welcome back to this intro training course on LollyLaw. My name is Chris, Customer Success here at LollyLaw, and in this video, we'll go over the search bar and its search functionality. In other videos, we went over the layout and the resources available in LollyLaw. This video will focus specifically on the search bar's functionality. To get started, we'll click on the search bar at the top of the screen to open the search in a full view. When it comes to searching for records in LollyLaw, there's a lot of search functionality available. Users can search for contact records, which are the people that you're working on, as well as matter records, which are the cases that you're working on for them. In the search bar, by default, users can search by first name, middle name, last name, as well as contact information such as email address and phone number. Users can also search by alien number, as well as by the receipt number if you've logged the receipt notice to a matter record. Additionally, in the search bar, users can use the browse history results to pull up any records that they recently searched for. Here in the browse history, we can see matter records represented by this red briefcase icon, and the contact records represented by this blue icon with the person. Here in the search bar, let's say I wanted to search for my client Naya, Naya. I'll enter their name into the search bar, entering at least 3 characters to allow for a partial search. Here, I can see different records come up. In blue is the contact record, represented by this person icon for my client Naya. In red, I see that there are matter records associated with her, represented by this red briefcase. This is what we call partial search. In at least 3 characters, you can search for a partial name in LollyLaw. By toggling this button here, users can search by the exact name of a client. For example, let's say I wanted to search for my client Naya now. Try to search by just her partial name, Nay. I won't get any results with this button toggled. But if I enter the exact name, then I'll get the results. This is a helpful search parameter to search by the exact name of a contact record or matter record. This is helpful for organizations or firms who have several clients with the same exact first name and last name. In that scenario, it might be helpful to search by the exact keyword search, to search by the person's exact full name or exact middle name. This is what we call exact keyword search. Lastly, in the search bar, we have what we call targeted searching. Using the @ sign in the search bar, users can search by a very specific record in LollyLaw, such as activities, tasks, or reminders. If the user enters @A, you can search for activities, which include time entries, events, notes, T for tasks, or @R for reminders. So let's say I wanted to search for some reminder records that I set up for my client Naya. I'll enter @R for reminders and name. And now I can find these very specific reminder records associated with my client Naya. This is what we call targeted searching, to search for a very specific record that has been previously saved to Lolly. Learn more about the search bar and its functionality. Please visit our help site at help.lollylaw.com/help, or you can email us at support@lollylaw.com. We're happy to help.